Sup guys, here I am again. Yeah, that accent was retarded, but we're gonna be like on some fucking TV show for world's gayest. No, I don't know. I'm just, yeah. This is my freestyle bike check. It's an Eastern Ramrouter. For one, never. I'm learning this right now. Never buy an Eastern or Eastern cranks. Cause, see this? This is my Eastern crank arm. That's supposed to be sitting right there. But no, it decided to come off and fuck up as I was trying to pedal. Yeah, if you guys are wondering, I did crush my balls. But that's beside the point. But overall, the only good thing to me about Easterns are their stems and their seats. Not even their seats. Their seats are rail seats. They're heavy as fuck. Their stems, they're pretty good, but like, I don't think I've ever had a problem with mine. Maybe like a couple times, but it's just gotta tighten them down really hard. But here we go. Yeah, as you guys know, I got the Eastern Ramrouter frame. I got the FSA Pig headset. Yeah, I got the Eastern, stock Eastern stem. Luckily me, I got a set of I got a set of S&M Grand Slam bars, XLT 8.25 rise. I got unfortunately on this bike too, I got a set of Animal Edwin grips. I got ODI bar ends, which I'm gonna put my plastic animal ones on here pretty soon. And I got a Primo Kamikaze. I think it's a V2. Primo Kamikaze V2 front fork or whatever. I got shittiest rim you can ever get on my front. I got a fucking Walmart rim because the one that came with it snapped on me. Alright, one sec. Let me show you how bent this thing is. That might not look like much from there, but when you're riding, it's a pain in the ass. And on my cranks, I got, which, as I said, never buy Eastern cranks. Trust me, you're gonna regret it. I'm already regretting this. So I had a set of stock Eastern cranks, stock Eastern pedals. I think this is a stock Eastern spindle, and I got a DK 30-tooth sprocket. I got a KMC 710 chain. I have my whole brake system is Diatec, so other than that I got a stolen brake cable. My seat, obviously it's an Eastern rail seat with the Eastern post. I got on the back, I got the Eastern cassette hub laced to it's a Zach 30 rim. I don't know if anybody knows what brand that is, but let's just say it's a shitty brand, alright, because I had that on my front, and normally I land on my back a little bit first, so yeah, if you guys want a strong rim or something, I would not get any of my shit. A good set of rims to go with is in my opinion for freestyle is a G Sport Birdcage or a G Sport roll cage. That's what I'm getting ready to get, but yeah, that was my bike check. So yeah, just letting y'all know now, like Eastern parts, they go. I've had this thing for about 6 months or so, 6 months, almost a year, kind of, and this thing's already falling apart on me. So that just shows how good Eastern really is. Alright, well, that was my bike check, and yeah, just rate, comment, subscribe, the usual, and yeah, it's probably gonna be my last video of the day. I'm gonna go out riding pretty soon, and yeah, so keep riding. Maybe I'll catch y'all later, and shit, just see ya.